Hello everyone, I'm Cristiano Ronaldo, and I'm excited to welcome you to this Go Natural English session, where you'll get a taste of an exclusive language improvement experience. This particular session gives you a glimpse of the full online video course that is available instantly once you subscribe to my channel. The course is titled 17 Key Techniques to Sharpen Your English Listening Abilities, and yes, it genuinely includes 17 distinct strategies along with 5 focused practice modules. You'll also find a bonus section designed to enhance your listening in practical, applicable ways. Within that program, you're welcome to ask me questions and dive deeper into the learning journey. In this special video, I will share 5 of the techniques that I personally believe are among the most powerful when it comes to advancing your English comprehension skills. Let's begin with one of the most overlooked yet incredibly important aspects of language learning, which is the way you think. Your mindset plays a crucial role in your ability to grow and grasp new information. If you enter a learning scenario expecting failure or feeling uncertain, your performance is likely to reflect that. But if you embrace each opportunity with enthusiasm and belief in your abilities, your outcomes will shift dramatically. Telling yourself things like, "I am capable of understanding English," or "I can follow native speakers," sets a powerful tone. These internal affirmations reshape how you interact with English environments. Your brain listens to what you tell it, so why not feed it motivation? Each time you encounter English, whether it's a conversation, a video, or an audio lesson, approach it with belief. Picture yourself steadily improving. These small shifts in thought can build real confidence over time. I believe in you, and I'm here to support your journey as you develop the ability to engage fully and comfortably in English-speaking situations. Now, let's move to a highly practical approach that combines multiple senses. Listening on its own is excellent, but if you pair it with related activities, your brain will make connections faster. Think of it like athletic training. If someone wants to become a skilled football player, simply playing football might not be enough. They might also swim to increase lung strength or run to boost endurance. Similarly, in language learning, listening combined with reading and speaking brings better results. Start by listening to content like this video without any visual assistance. Let the sounds guide you. After the first round, replay the same material, this time following along with subtitles or written scripts. Observe the way words are formed and how they match the sounds you heard. Afterward, add a speaking exercise by trying a technique known as shadowing. As soon as you hear a phrase, repeat it out loud as quickly and accurately as possible. This method helps train your ears and your tongue together. Repeating what you hear strengthens your pronunciation and helps you identify patterns in how native speakers talk. When you're able to say a sound accurately, your brain becomes more capable of recognizing it when you hear it again. Expanding your learning sources is another significant factor. Don't limit yourself to the same type of content all the time. Listen to short clips, medium-length interviews, or longer podcasts and films. Starting with short content is helpful because you can go over it several times, gaining clarity with each repetition. Imagine studying a 3-minute video 5 times, you'd only need a brief study session to get strong exposure. But as your confidence grows, challenge yourself with longer content to build your focus and stamina. At the same time, explore topics that genuinely interest you. If you love football, dive into English commentary or post-match analysis. Listen to the players, coaches, or sports journalists speak in English. On the flip side, also experiment with topics outside your comfort zone. If you're passionate about music or art, try listening to scientific discussions or economic updates. This type of stretching introduces you to a broader vocabulary and expands your overall language competence. Consider listening to major English language radio stations like NPR or BBC, where you can find discussions on technology, health, education, politics, and more. This variety in listening not only keeps things interesting but also ensures you're equipped with language tools for many types of real-world conversations. There's another simple but powerful habit I recommend: train yourself to make predictions before you start listening. Your brain enjoys being active. If you take a few seconds to anticipate what you might hear based on a video title or a conversation context, your brain will activate relevant vocabulary and make it easier to understand what follows. For example, before starting this video, if you guessed that it would be about improving English listening skills, your brain would have already started preparing related phrases and ideas. Similarly, if you're heading into a conversation or watching a presentation, pause and think about possible topics that could come up. This prepares your mind and gives it a head start, increasing your ability to absorb information naturally. This proactive thinking, even for a few moments, can make your listening sharper and reduce the mental strain of keeping up with fast speech. Finally, let's focus on the overall framework of English. Instead of getting lost in individual words or phrases, begin training yourself to recognize how English is built. Notice the rhythms in speech, how phrases are grouped, and where emphasis naturally falls. English has patterns. Certain words get stressed more than others, some syllables carry more weight, and some sounds may be completely new to your ears. You may encounter sounds that don't even exist in your native language, like the subtle differences between R and L, or the distinctive TH sounds. Recognizing the structure of English will allow you to absorb new vocabulary and expressions more easily. It's like building shelves in your mind. Once you know how the structure works, you can store and organize new knowledge more efficiently. And that organization improves memory. So as you listen to various kinds of English speech, don't only focus on meaning. Also observe how things are said, how sentences flow, and how words interact within a sentence. This deeper awareness becomes your internal guide and helps you handle unfamiliar conversations with more comfort and understanding. These strategies are just a few of the effective techniques I cover in my full course, 17 Secrets to Improving Your Listening Skills in English. There's so much more waiting for you, and I would love to have you join the complete program available on my channel. Dive into the lessons, practice regularly, and don't hesitate to reach out with questions. Your journey toward fluency is absolutely possible, and I'm honored to be a part of it. I look forward to seeing you in the full course, where we'll continue building your listening abilities, one powerful technique at a time.